Hi there. Today I want to tell you how you can watch Hulu.com outside of the US. Now, first of all, let's just talk about HotspotShield.com. This method no longer works. The reason is because Hulu knows their IPs and they block it. So, this website will not work. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to go on down here to Hulu. We're going to select the Saturday Night Live episode. Currently I'm on my I'm on my Japanese IP, and there you have it. We're sorry, currently our video library can only be streamed within the United States. As you can see, it can't be watched. What I'm going to do is go on down here to my toolbar, and I'm going to right click my Open VPN, right click it, hit connect. And there you go, it's logging into a San Francisco server. So I'm going to be basically going from Japan through the pipeline all the way to San Fran, and there you have it. OVPN 274 is now connected. I'm ready to go. What I do is just go up to the top here of my browser, hit refresh, and there you have it. NBC Saturday Night Live is now on my home PC. As usual with Hulu, you do get the commercials. Okay, I'm going to just pause this here. As you can see, it's clearly working. No lag. Actually, I want to watch this one. All right, I'm going to pause it. So what you have to do to find out more information about how to set this up in your PC is go to the bottom of this video. There's a link that goes to our main video, and that video will explain everything you need to know how to work this on your home PC, your iPhone, your iPad, and your television. Okay. Also, we have a blog, and in the blog, as you can see here, Watch US TV in Japan, blogspot.com. I have all the videos conveniently laid out so you can pick out, which video is relevant for you. All right, so that's really good for you to find out exactly what you need to know. Okay, so again, just click on the bottom of our video here and you can see our main video, and from there you're going to learn how to get all this set up. It takes about 10-15 minutes or so. It takes a little bit of time, but once you get it going, it works perfect. It doesn't fail, and there's no blocking whatsoever. Okay, so thanks very much for watching our video, guys, and good luck, and see you later.